What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Storm 2 and I'm back with another video. Today is a big day, man. They revealing the Corvette. This wasn't what I was talking about when I said Tuesday is Tuesday. This wasn't what I was talking about though. But it's kind of late. We have to kind of was in a rush because I guess they finna put it back in the that truck at 7, so we had to hurry up. But man, there's some nice cars out here right now. Like before I go in, I'm gonna show y'all. Like a 5th gen SS. Like a 3rd gen Corvette. I don't know if it's third. I don't know my Corvettes like that. C5, I think. C5, if I'm not mistaken. Corvette right there. Y'all see my boy down this A15. He forgot his camera. I mean, not his camera. He forgot his SIM card in my car in the daily, man. I see this vet right there. Old school Mustang right there. 5.0. We got some more C5s or C6s, whatever you want to call them. Some more vets. Man, yeah, it's a lot of vets over here. And this is the truck that we came in. I cannot wait to see this car, bro. Hey, I can't wait to see this car, bro. I gotta get some of this footage though before I go in. Oh man, that thing sounds good. Look, vert over there. Convertible. We got an SS over there. Man, it's a whole bunch of nice cars. Everybody brought the nice cars out today. They wanted to see what the real C8 looked like, man. It's crazy. Look good though.
Hey, I might just shoot up to your grandma's crib to go get that.
You know it stopped at 7 though. They finna put it back in at 7.
Yeah, that is true.
RT Challenger. Yeah, let me go in here and get this footage real quick before they put it back in. I actually want to hear it. So I should stall around. I don't know. What time is it right now?
It's 6:20.
There's a nice Corvette right here. Yeah, they closing down the tent. Yep. Nice in here though. Let's see what we got in here. Hey, I'm finna order a vet. I'm finna order a Corvette today, y'all. You say order your vet. I'm finna order a Corvette today. Shoot, I wish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. It's like crazy. Crazy, man. It was better in person. It was a lot better in person. Mid-engine. I can't get a good angle, y'all, because there's so many people in here. So I ain't gonna be able to get y'all a good angle, but I don't even know what version this is. I don't know if this is Z06 or what.
This is way better in person, bro.
What is this? It's like the Z06, don't it? I don't know which one it is, huh? Oh, carbon fiber? Yeah, the Z06 carbon fiber. I wonder who car this is. I'll take it from me for a day, maybe forever. Man, this thing beautiful. Crazy.
Yeah, well, this one's been all around the country, so it's had about 25,000 bucks. You also got your
crazy, man.
right here.
This joint crazy.
For ease of release.
You gotta hop inside. Or the HD.
There's some colors right here. Hey, I ain't gonna say nothing about that. Hey, just know Adonis got his eye on that color. I ain't gonna tell y'all on what he doing there. All the wheels, tires, steering wheel.
I kind of like this tan.
Oh, that's a stitching. Steering wheel.
I like the yellow one.
Oh yeah, I like this and I like the red and the
And
yellow.
the seatbelts, man, they went all out. Bro, they went all out even with the stitching. They didn't have this for the C7. Crazy.
You already know. Yeah. Exactly. Like the ZR1 that we're sitting here. Right. Right there.
Nice white interior. Crazy. Oh yeah, the seats over there too.
Like investment properties. Okay. We went up, but eventually sell that or not sell that. Okay. Pounds right there.
So these are colors, y'all. They got black. Oh, hold on. What I'm doing? I'm breaking the system and stuff. Oh yeah, we gotta confirm that. Black, white, silver. Ceramic matrix. I ain't never heard of these colors. These some nice colors though, bro. What you think? What you think about these colors?
My favorite color, man.
Oh yeah, we already know.
I got two favorite colors.
What's the other one? We don't know the other one. The black? Oh, the black? Oh yeah, I already did the black. That was my first one. I hope nobody behind me.
That's the color right here.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
That's the color.
Is that the one that you ate? That's your favorite one, right? Or this one? Oh, okay. That's the blue. Yeah, man. They went all out with this. Oh, I dropped my phone, y'all.
They definitely did.
Hold on, let's see this. Let's see if this accelerator. This on the SS out there too.
Oh yeah, the top.
With some black wheels, bro. That was good. I like that orange. With some black wheels. Straight with it. Change the calibers, make them black. Yeah, I go crazy with this. Oh, that's raw.
Wow.
That's crazy. Actually, the interior red. That interior don't look bad with that orange.
No, it don't.
Yeah, it don't look bad at all. The wing. I do the hot spoiler with this. I'm not a big fan of the wing, but
This type of car.
how you zoom out? Oh, I broke the machine, y'all. Nope. Y'all, I done broke the machine. Oh, there you go. Look what I made. Look what I made. You think so?
Yeah, check out the red color.
I'm putting 28s on it. Bright red. Really don't make the color look too different because there's a lot of red. Yeah. Man, this joint look good though. Normal, nothing too out. If I had it, I'd probably wrap it though. Do something different.
I'm about to go back to the old school ways and record off.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the Hey, at least he giving y'all a video, man. Y'all gotta respect that. Ooh, it look good, man. Man, this car, I can't stop looking at this car. This is that's the base model. We just found out that's the base model. And this picture right here, it's more like the Z. This is more like what the Z06 look like, right? You think it's like the Z06 right here? Man, this joint look good.
Yeah, it's missing a couple things, but
man, put the top back on. I wonder if it got the black top.
I'm not gonna lie.
It's not even a convertible though. Look at this.
Just imagine this car with the Lambo lights. Even though it's a Corvette, but the Lambo lights.
It reminds you of the Lambo lights though. Look good, man. Hope I can get one of these one day. Hopefully one day, man. Don't say you won't. But yeah, man. Gotta see me with the turtleneck on. I'm finna see what's outside though. Hey, I'm outside, bro. If you want to stay in, oh
Yeah, I'll just exchange.
okay. Yeah, it's cool. Got some Malibus right here. Nice little family cars. Wait, it's a Corvette up there. It's a Corvette right there. My bad, y'all, if I'm stuttering a lot. I'm overwhelmed right now. I'm overwhelmed. I can't even talk on the camera. Hey, look, your car.
They finally brought it outside.
Why you? Look, y'all. Hold on. I want to tell y'all something. Ever since the Corvette came, like they just showed this. They just threw this car out there. Like they all disrespectful. I'm still a Camaro guy. I probably would still get a Camaro because y'all know I like bigger rims and stuff. So I would get a Camaro more than likely over a Corvette. But if I had the money, I'd get both. But I'm a big rim kind of guy, and I wouldn't disrespect Corvettes like that. But man, this joint look good. This is my boy's favorite car. Yeah, man. So yeah, it's a SS right there, a blue SS. I'm not even gonna bother showing y'all the interior because it's so hard to see at night. My camera is good. My camera is good at night. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this is an SS. The face look good, but if I had the SS, the 2019 SS, I would change the face. Put the Z01 front on it and stuff like that. But it looked good. Yeah, man. But what's up? Say what?
I'm gonna let you finish.
You gonna let me finish? Oh. No, if you was gonna talk. You gotta let me use, you gonna let me finish.
Oh no, I'm saying like, I'm gonna do a montage with the Corvette.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, but you always gotta help your brothers out. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video, help my brother out because he forgot his SIM card, so I'm gonna let him use my camera and send him the footage. But I hope y'all enjoyed the footage, man. They finna pull it back in. I don't know if they gonna start it up. If they start it up, I'm gonna give y'all the show y'all the how it sound when it started. They say it sound good, but like I said, I haven't heard it myself. I can just go by what I heard. Oh yeah. Yo, I didn't cop the Corvette, bro. I copped it. I got it, bro. Crazy. It's like the
Oh yeah. I like the setup though. It's nice. You don't know how to get out?
Oh, it's a button.
It is?
It's a button, yeah.
Where is it at?
It's like right here.
Oh, okay. I love it, man. It's crazy.
It's different. It's sick. It's not even like a it ain't like a Corvette. It's like more like a McLaren. Yeah, like a supercar. Yeah, man. It's crazy. Yeah, it was crazy. Go ahead, hop in.
I'm gonna get this montage. Yeah. You want everybody to be first.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, everybody, the night has come to an end and the Corvette has to leave, and I have to ask you guys to step outside the door while he starts up and moves the car. So it's a pre-production vehicle, so I can't have anyone that's not an employee here be anywhere around the car when he starts up. You're more than welcome to stand outside the doors and listen to it start up. He's going to pull it over to the side for right now. So come off the floor.
So y'all heard that. I'm gonna try my best I can if y'all can be able to listen to it from outside. We're gonna check it out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all like the Corvette. My bad if y'all didn't understand me. I was just overwhelmed, y'all. I was thrown off, overwhelmed, all that. But I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go subscribe to my boy, cause he gonna give y'all some nice little, cause he like take his time with the footage. I just give it to y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, cause I just try to grind for y'all and try to do what I can do his best. But make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy.
Appreciate that.
But anyways, that being said, we out, man. Peace. Yo, what I stay with